ఈరోజు 72వ గణతంత్ర శుభాకాంక్షలు అందరికీ. మొదటిగా ఫ్లాగ్ హోస్టింగ్, తర్వాత ప్రైజ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ చేస్తామన్న క్విజ్ కాంపిటీషన్ జరిగింది.
Quiz competition happened, you know.
ప్రైజ్ కాంపిటీషన్. Then followed by one patriotic song by Shastri garu.
Now we'll have patriotic songs.
తర్వాత
No, we'll have it now.
లైబ్రరీలో ఇనాగ్రేట్ చేస్తాం.
And there's
that's why I came.
సో ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ మనం అందరం కూడా అక్కడ గ్యాదర్ అవుతాం క్లబ్ హౌస్ లో. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వీ విల్ హ్యావ్ హై టీ అండ్ దెన్ రిటర్న్ ఫర్ ద డే ఆఫ్ ద మార్నింగ్. అండ్ మన ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ సెషన్ 3:00 స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో ఐ హోప్ ఎవరు ఇళ్లలో డిన్నర్ అయితే మీరు ఎవరు ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇక్కడే ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ జోబ్లో డబ్బులు ఇచ్చాము. అందుకనే చెప్పండి క్లారిటీ ఇచ్చాము. క్యాష్ ఉండాలి ప్లీజ్. కరెక్ట్. బాలా గారు ఉన్నారు. బాలా గారు బిట్ కాయిన్స్ ఇస్తారు. నేను క్యాష్ ఇస్తాను.
Yes.
ప్రెసిడెంట్ సుమంత్ గారు ఫ్లాగ్ హోస్టింగ్ చేస్తారు.
We're gonna upload this on YouTube. We're gonna upload this on YouTube. AFTY that. They don't even allow me to upload. विनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधितरंगा यम शुभ नामे जाने तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय दाता जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
My greetings to you all on the occasion of the 72nd Republic Day. We had a small quiz competition on Sunday. It was very heartening to see 18 kids come and participate in the quiz. And it went off very well. All the children thoroughly enjoyed the day and the competition. What we have done is, in addition to having planned for giving away prizes to the first 3 winners, that is the winners, the runners and the second runners, I've also decided that we will give a small prize to all the participants to basically encourage and them to come and participate in competitions like this. I feel, especially in view of the pandemic now, and subsequently also, it is very important that to inculcate competitive spirit in the kids, we need to have this kind of competitions. I have actually spent about 30 years in tribal communities. This kind of a thing is a regular feature in our communities, where we have competitions, we have events that are organized. It's very great to see that our society, we do the same thing here. It actually helps in a healthy growth of the children of the society. There's nothing much I can add to as part of the Republic Day speech. As I said, I have not really thought of anything. But let me tell you, with the children being the future of our country, it is the responsibility of us parents to ensure that their growth is unhindered and we help them grow in whatever they are good at. And for them to first of all understand what they are good at, it is important that we give them the opportunity and we also bring about awareness in them and also try and find out what they are really good at. And once we know what they are good at, and once they themselves know what they are good at, I'm sure as parents we can help them grow in that direction. Without much ado, I would like to proceed with the prize giving ceremony. May I request Kalyani Garu to spell out the names?
Competition goes to Keshank and Kaushik. Please give them a big hand. Second place goes to Lalitya and Akshaya. The good thing is that 3 members are from Hari's family only. So we have to give one more big claps. Hari is not there. I think he has gone out.
Madhi auntie is there.
Madhi auntie is there.
Yeah.
Third prize goes to Praveen and Karthik. Give them a big hand. Thank you.
I stole to my.
Team 1, Ani and Ayush.
Honey is in there.
Rachita.
You are not the second team. I'm the third team.
Leaba.
Okay, after.
Amog and Jay Krishna.
Oh, wait, even night. Oh, night team is not here.
Akshit and Akshit. Adarsh and Arush.
Yeah, I'll hold. Keep it inside.
Manas and Rachita.
No. Hold.
Manas.
I don't want responsible stuff. Yes.
Sairam and Jelisha.
What? It's recording.
Thank you all for your wonderful participation.
You were the one who
And,
gave it. I got it.
This type of pitch competition and awareness programs will be continued at least once in a month. Okay, so you all be prepared and then actively participate. This will improve your knowledge and then improve yourself. Okay, knowledge is important than any other thing. Education may be there, but knowledge is more important than education. Thank you all. Now I request Shastri Garu to sing a patriotic song on occasion of the Republic Day.
It's our 72nd Republic Day, and certainly it's not a small thing that we've enjoyed 72 years of Republic and democracy. And I believe the credit goes to our freedom fighters. I'm sure most of you know the main notable characters of freedom fighters. But it's quite important that we also commemorate those that are behind the scenes. You know, we do not know a lot of people that have worked hard towards making this nation what it is today. And it's our duty and responsibility to keep encouraging young students and everybody else to commemorate whatever they've done for us. And it's certainly not a small thing that they've fought so much for the nation with such unselfish deeds or unselfish wishes behind. So basically, everybody today that we are staying in this country, we all need to believe, and we all have a basic right to encourage everybody to believe in freedom, and also the democracy that we have today, it's not easily profound. People had to struggle a lot. They had to go through so much, and it's important that we all actually, today that we are enjoying it. It's important that we all actually, I'm getting quite emotional because it's not a small thing. The freedom that we are having today, it's a huge thing. The constitutional rights, the freedom to equality, the freedom to cultural and educational rights. India is such a diverse nation, and being such a huge nation, every part of it is covered with freedom, democracy and republic. Republic basically means, the amendment and adoption of our constitution. And it has taken over 2 years, almost 3 years to write down the constitution and all those major rights. Today, not everybody follows it, and it's important that we actually start following all of this. And on this one day, I would like you all to think for a moment how much we're doing to this nation. We might not be a bigger change or a greater change, but we can do all that from all that we have and make a very small change. I'm sure one day it will turn out to be a big one. And on this day, I would also like you all to take a promise to encourage equality, freedom and equal rights to every citizen that is living in this glorious nation. And be proud of India, never let it down. A lot of people call India a very undeveloped nation, but in reality, from the history, India is the most advanced nation till date. Does anybody know about it? We have the longest constitution, longest history, and most importantly, we take ideas from people. We encourage young generation. Not every country does that. We also are not, we do not degrade ourselves for taking ideas from people. And we also encourage them to take what is good from others and leave what is bad there itself. So yeah, be the change that you want to see rather than just talking about it. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you Lalita for your wonderful speech. Now we request ladies to sing a patriotic song. Please.
That's why I turned the camera to.
Silence! First of all is the library, so we have to maintain silence. Okay, so the thought of library really it has come from cultural committee supported by Sangeeta Garu and Captain Garu, then contributed by EXCOM for these three, that what we have yesterday, we have purchased in this. So we thought to develop, and reading habit is the best habit. Everybody, we have seen the children that they are having a very good reading habit, so we wanted to develop that. So this room can be used for library and books are available here. And if anybody wants to take home, registry is available, so they can register there their name and they have to deposit some 100 rupees as a refundable deposit, and then they can take and then they can bring back within 7 days. So I request now Gopal Krishna Garu to inaugurate the library.
కాదండి పెద్దవాళ్ళకి కూడా In fact, one is that I would request all residents to contribute whatever books you have which you are not going to read or not likely to go through. It will help others to go through those books. It need not necessarily be only English. In fact, I am thinking of contributing some Telugu books so that, especially for the elderly people who are here, MSCO books are used like I will contribute them for the library. I will request everyone to come forward and contribute. It's our own property, it's our own library. So I feel it's our responsibility also to build it up. Not only for ourselves, but more so for the younger generation. Thank you, and I am really glad that we have started this.